I'm going to pause it right here, and before I show you how this ends, why don't we take a look at what exactly I'm doing and how I got here. In this video, I will be showing you how I made a rocket engine with a supposedly optimum de Laval nozzle using a PVC pipe, concrete, some chemistry, and a 3D printer. To start, I measured and cut Schedule 40 PVC pipe to about 120 millimeters. This will act as the casing for the engine. Using some blended kitty litter and a 3D printed ramrod, I created a stopper on one side of the engine. For the engine propellant, I used my AP Chem knowledge and a little help from the internet to create a mixture of sugar and stump remover in a 68:32 ratio. I then used a 1/4-inch drill bit to drill a core. This will help increase the burn rate. I had some left over, so naturally, I lit it on fire. Since some parts of the math get really complicated, I kinda cheated and used an Excel program to help me create the nozzle design. I inputted the geometric values of the rocket engine, and it gave me some really cool data on the pressure and performance of the engine. It also gave me the optimum design parameters for the nozzle, which I then used to create a CAD design. The idea here was to create a concrete mold. I know the inner plastic will probably melt during the burn, but I'm hoping the concrete will stay intact. While I was waiting, I made a couple pieces of fuse by soaking a piece of yarn in the rocket fuel solution. Now I just need to glue on the nozzle and I'll be ready for the test. I also designed and printed a circular heatsink to help dissipate heat along with a test stand to hold the rocket. Overall, I'd say the test was a success. The inner plastic part completely vaporized as I was expecting to. I'm not sure what the white stuff is there, but I think it's because the concrete wasn't able to finish drying. Thank you for watching, and maybe next time we'll get one airborne.